So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're watching me for the very first time, then hi, my name is Vidushi and I make videos on skincare, and you will see an amazing and interesting content by my side in the future. So for that, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you get updated every single time whenever I'm up with my new videos. We are going to test out a DIY, yes, a DIY, which is for removing unwanted facial hair, blackheads and whiteheads. And the name of this DIY is egg peel off marks. It's all over the internet. आपको इसके बारे में हर जगह मिल जाएगा. You'll get to know about this on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. हर जगह इस DIY के चर्चे हैं. But my video is bit different because I will be testing this out in front of you guys. You'll get to know about this DIY, whether this work or not, how to apply this, and इसके क्या result होते हैं, कितना effective है, कितना effective नहीं है. You'll get to know about each and everything in this video. So there is a story कि इस वीडियो का आइडिया मेरे दिमाग में या माइंड में कैसे आया. Okay, so as you all know कि I used to test each and every DIY or remedy before telling to you guys, and तभी वो वीडियो मैं अपलोड कर दी. तो in the same way I was doing my work, I was going to test out this DIY, and then an idea popped up in my mind कि क्यों ना I make a live testing video. I should test this in front of you guys. तो इससे आपको एक अच्छा सा clear idea मिल जाएगा कि ये DIY कितना काम करता है, कितना काम नहीं करता है. So yeah, you'll get to know about everything in this video. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Plus, वीडियो के एंड में we'll get to know about this DIY कि whether this DIY is a hit or a flop. The things that we require for this video are few tissue papers, brush, and of course our main ingredient is egg white. Okay, so once you have done cleaning your face, apply an egg white over the prone area. I mean, if you are using this DIY to remove blackheads or whiteheads, then you need to apply this over the prone area because that would work more better for them. But if you are using this to remove unwanted facial hair just like me, then you need to apply this all over your face. Now we need to lay this out with the help of tissue paper, and 2 layers of tissue papers are good enough to make it work as a peel off mask. So yeah, just go and layer it out. Yeah, I'm back. Okay, so as you can see, I cannot utter a single word because this mask is gonna make your skin super tight, and just because of that you cannot speak. And now as you can see, the mask has been fully dried up, and I kept this mask for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Now I'm just taking this off from downward to upward direction. Make sure always कि whatever you are applying on your face, you need to apply from downward to upward direction. So this is the mask that I have applied, and I'm still searching for a facial hair, and I cannot see or find any facial hair coming off. I'm still searching. But on the other hand, I must say this mask works wonder, great, super amazing, because my skin can literally feel the wellness, goodness, and I just want to show you my skin right now to you guys. I haven't applied anything, just a moisturizer and a lip gloss, and it's shining like hell. I can feel the freshness all over my face. So I would suggest you guys to use this mask twice to see a drastic change. एक use में definitely you won't see a big or a huge change. अगर आप इसको एक दो बार यूज़ करोगे तो definitely आपको रिजल्ट दिखेगा. And I would even suggest you कि do not use this on regular basis. वीक में एक बार इज़ गुड इनफ, बिकॉज ये आपकी स्किन को बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट कर देता है, जिसकी वजह से सैगीनेस हो सकती है, स्किन लूज हो सकती है, तो ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ करना है इस DIY को. सो या दैट्स इट. ओके, सो आई थिंक दिस DIY इज़ अ हिट. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and do let me know your opinion, your views. Feel free to comment down below and let me know about this video कि ऐसी live testing video मुझे और बनानी चाहिए या नहीं. I think live testing videos कुछ ज़्यादा informative होती हैं, तो please say yes in the comment section. And yeah, so let's just meet in another video. Until next time, stay tuned, stay happy and stay beautiful. Bye.